Hello everyone and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix an error that says error occurred while authenticating, which prevents GTA 5 from launching. So the process is extremely straightforward. So without wasting any more time, let's jump right in. Now this error usually happens when the Steam or Epic Games launcher tries to connect to the Rockstar launcher, but the handshake fails because an old process is stuck in the background. Now we need to completely reset this connection sequence. So here is exactly what you need to do. First, just simply open your Task Manager by right-clicking on your taskbar, then Task Manager. Now inside your Task Manager, scroll through the list of processes and look for anything related to your Steam or Epic Games or Rockstar. So my GTA is on Epic Games. First, close all the Epic Games related stuff. So all you have to do is click on that and click on End Task. And just like that, find any Epic Games or Rockstar related things as you can see right here. Now once you've done that, the next thing that we have to do is, without launching the game directly from your launcher, open the game from Rockstar itself. So simply open Rockstar, then click on Open. Now basically wait and let it load completely. Now, as you can see, once you have loaded and signed into your Rockstar launcher, then you can open your Steam or Epic Games launcher and launch GTA from there. Now, the moment you do this, it will force the game to recognize that you are already authorized, or you can directly choose your game launcher right over here. You can click on the drop-down menu and choose Epic Games Launcher. You can also launch the game if you have it over here. So click on Epic Games Launcher and click on Play. It will force the game to launch it from Epic Games itself. Now, if this process doesn't work for you, that means your local configuration file might be corrupted, and we can force the game to create a new one without losing your saved data. So the process is again extremely simple. First, open your computer, then go to Documents, then go to Rockstar Games, and right over here you should be able to see your Rockstar Games. So all you do is just simply change the name of your Rockstar Games folder, click on it, and add something like X to make it different. Now just simply hit Enter, and the name should be changed. Once you've done that, try launching the game again, and it'll create a fresh folder automatically. If this fixes it, you can later copy the saved files from the backup folder to the new one. Now, sometimes this is purely an internet connectivity issue where your computer is trying to connect to an old broken server address. So we need to flush out your DNS cache, and here is what you have to do. So first, go to the official Rockstar Games website in your browser and make sure that you are logged out of your account over there. Then simply click on your Start menu and type CMD, and then open it as an administrator. Now, inside the command prompt, just simply type a simple command, which is ipconfig /flush DNS, which you can see right here. Then hit Enter. Now, wait for a few seconds, as it might take some time, because this will clear your network's memory. So just be patient and wait for it to complete. And once it is completed, you should see a successful message right over here. Now, if you're still having troubles, the internet provider might be blocking the authentication server. So we can bypass that by using a free safe tool from Cloudflare. So what you do is simply open your browser and type 1.1.1.1, which you can see here, and hit Enter. Now download and install the free Cloudflare Warp tool for your particular operating system, for example, Windows. So click on that, and the application will start downloading, as you can see right here. So wait for a few seconds. Now, once the application is downloaded, click on Open and install the application on your computer. Once the installation is completed, click on Finish, and then you should be able to see a new application on your system tray. So what you do is click on it, then click on Next, then click on Accept. Now just simply start the option, wait for a few seconds, and then once you are connected, go to the Settings option right over here and choose just 1.1.1.1, not with warp, and it should look something like this. Once it's done, you can launch the game while it is connected, and it often bypasses the authorization block immediately. So that's it. Now you know exactly how to fix the authentication error and get back into your game. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.